Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Chef Will is here again at Will's Kitchen Table with another amazing recipe guys. Today is another healthy choice day guys, and I want to show you guys the healthy choice bowl that I'm making today guys. Gonna be your earth grown veggie bowl guys. That's what I'm making today. So guys, this is all the spices that I'm using right here and the vegetables that I'm using, and I also got some sweet potatoes right here as well guys. Just want to show you guys that. And I'm using two small size sweet potato right there, and two zucchini, a half of a red, half a yellow, and half of a orange peppers guys. So those are the peppers that I'm using. And I got one carrot there guys, I just cut in half. And I got some grape tomatoes. And all my spices that I'm using here guys, I got a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of oregano guys, I got a pinch of cayenne pepper right there guys, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then guys, I got a teaspoon of paprika, quarter teaspoon of black pepper guys, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Guys, we're gonna combine it all together to marinate these veggies. We're gonna cut them up out first, and then guys, I also got a 2 sprig of parsley right here. This is the Italian flat leaf parsley, and half quarter of a lemon right there. This should give us about a teaspoon of lemon juice guys. And I got olive oil right here. We're gonna drizzle over. All right guys, so let's get together and start marinating our veggies and get them in the oven. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna blanch these sweet potatoes for maybe 6 minutes. All right, let's get it going. Okay guys, we're gonna dice up these potatoes right now. Try to cut them even size so they cook evenly guys. Right, want them looking like that. So this is our earth grown veggie bowl guys. I will drop the recipe for this one in the description box guys, or you guys can take it down with a pen or pencil. Beautiful. All right guys, so we're gonna get this right over in the pot as it's boiling right now and get it cooked off for about 6 minutes. Guys, zucchini. Trying to cut them same size as the potatoes. These gonna shrink a bit guys. Guys, this is a wonderful veggie bowl guys. This one, you guys gonna love it. You guys gonna be in love with this recipe. You're gonna be want to make it every single day guys. Every day you're gonna make it. Guys, we put a piece of onion in there just to give it some flavor guys. Just cut those really small. peppers, they're beautiful, guys. So the timer on that, guys. Beautiful, guys. Look at all this color. Wow, it's amazing. Guys, that's gonna make our earth grown veggie bowl amazing. Not only looking good, guys, but it's gonna taste really good. All right, I'm gonna toss in the tomatoes in there, guys. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. So now, guys, these 2 sprigs of parsley right here, just gonna chop those up. A rough chop, guys. It's a nice rough chop. We're gonna toss that right inside it. Beautiful color right there. And guys, lemon juice, I'm just gonna squeeze it in. As I said, that's roughly about 1 teaspoon, sorry guys, you get out of that. All right, turn this down. That's almost done. We're gonna get the potatoes right in there and all the spices going inside. All right, guys? All right, guys, so guys, I drained the water off the potatoes. I'm just gonna add them right inside here with all that beautiful veggies that we got right there, guys. Get all the pieces out. Looking good, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's add the spices, guys, to this right now. Sugar. Beautiful. Drizzle some olive oil over this, guys. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to this, guys. Some of you guys can't have salt, so guys, salt to your taste. All right. Looking beautiful, guys. Look at that. Grown, guys. This is an amazing recipe. All right, guys, we're gonna get this right in the oven right now. Beautiful. So we're gonna get these roast off. I got it high temperature, guys. I'm going 380, guys, convection oven I got going, and we're gonna roast these off. We're gonna get our vegetable going. All right, guys, catch you when they're out. So guys, right now we're gonna be making some couscous, all right, to go with our earth grown salad, guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to prepare the couscous, guys. I got 1 cup right here of the couscous. Guys, it's 2 cups of water I got there, guys. You might not need all of it, but I always start out with 2 cups or 2.5 cups. I season this, guys. You add salt to your taste, guys, and then thing that I add to it, a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder, guys. And I also have 1 teaspoon of butter inside the water and a teaspoon of olive oil. Guys, you want to season this water nicely before you pour it over your couscous. I love to do that. I mean, you can cook it just naturally. If you like, you don't want any spices or any seasoning, I should say, to it, you can do that. But this is how we do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and taste that. And you add your salt. I had a teaspoon of salt to that water. All right. good. We're just gonna pour it over this and cover it down with some saran wrap. And after a few minutes, the water disappear. You fluff that. I'll show you guys that process. So guys, we're just gonna go ahead and shut off the stove right here. And my couscous is right here. The water was boiling. I'm just gonna add some spinach to mine today. All right. You don't have to add spinach to it, guys. This is just something different that I'm doing. Add some spinach to the couscous. All right, guys. And then I'm just gonna pour just enough water to cover it, guys. That's all you need. Perfect. All right. Guys, we're just gonna put some wrap over this while it's nice and steaming. Just let it sit for a few minutes, guys. Let all the water disappear. It will get nice and dry. Then you can use your fork and just fluff it, all right? We're just gonna let that sit for a few minutes. So guys, it's time to unreveal the goodness right here, guys. Look at that. Guys, take a look at it. Wow, still nice and hot. Guys, so you use a fork and you go right through this, guys. Give it a nice stir. Amazing. Look at that, guys. Nice and fluffy and ready to go, guys. Whatever salad you want to have this with, guys. Wow, beautiful. Nice. Looking lovely. Guys, that's what we're talking about. Turn up the flavor and it smells so good, guys. All right, that's beautiful. That's how you make your couscous, guys. And it comes out looking beautiful like this. All right, just want to show you guys again. Beautiful texture of it. That's how you prepare your couscous. Your nice boiling water, season it, pour it over it, guys, and let it sit for just a few minutes. I would say 5 minutes. The water disappear, you open it and stir it, and it's ready to go. All right, guys, we're gonna get this going. So guys, that's what it should come out looking like, guys. Take a look at all that nice roasted ground veg there, guys. All right, beautiful. All right, guys, we're gonna put this on a plate. Actually in the bowl, guys. We're gonna get it in the salad bowl, right? So guys, I put the couscous right in the middle there, guys. And then we're gonna put all this goodness right around it. Guys, it doesn't have to be as pretty as I make it. Right there, you can just pile it on in the middle there. All right. Then we're gonna get our nice ground veggies right around it, guys. This veggie bowl looking amazing and tastes so good, guys. This is what we call turn up the flavor. All right, guys. Mouth watering. Beautiful. You guys gonna try out this earth grown veggie bowl and let me know will you guys like it. I'll drop the recipe there for you guys. You can see beautiful. So we just pile this right around, and guys, you can have this warm or cold. Beautiful. Guys, that's looking really good. You guys let me know. How is it looking? All right. turn up the flavor here. Flavor up again and again and again, guys. Looking beautiful. Tasting wonderful. All right, guys, right now we're gonna put a little bit of feta on it, guys. Turning up the flavor again. All right, so what I did, I cut these in cubes. I just put a few pieces around it. Need a little bit of protein on there, right? You guys can have this with some grilled chicken if you like, fish. It's beautiful. Hope you guys are trying out these recipes. This is really, really good, guys. Take a look at that. That's what we're talking about, guys. All right, a little bit of Italian flat leaf parsley right over it. As I said, beauty to the eyes and taste to the mouth. All right, guys, I'm gonna do it right now, like that, and that. Here we go. Amazing salad, guys. Amazing veggie bowl. All right, guys, take a look at it. Turn it up again. All right, guys, what you can do, drizzle a little bit of olive oil over this, fresh lemon juice. Bang, guys, that's it. It's up again. This is, it makes two. All right, see that, guys? Beautiful, eh? All right, guys, thanks for watching again, guys. Like, share, subscribe, guys, to this channel, and share it, guys. Share it like food. All right, thanks for watching again, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.